Now, with YouTube's new auto-translation functionality, I can add subtitles in any language I want. So let's go ahead and press play. You can see the video is playing and there are no subtitles. Now here in the bottom right corner, I can turn on the closed captions. When I click on that, you will see the automatically generated closed captions in English. Now, the next step is to go into your settings, and here I can now change the subtitles. We're going to click on that, and now we have an extra option, Auto Translate. I can automatically translate these captions into any language I want. So let's go ahead and select Dutch. Here we go. Click on Dutch. And now these are automatically translated as I'm watching this video. And so this is an absolute game changer. Any video on YouTube can now automatically be subtitled, and it's automatically translated as well. Let's go ahead and select another language. We go to this cogwheel, the settings, select subtitles, and let's choose a different auto-translate language. Let's go with Spanish. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find Spanish. Here we go, Spanish. And now my subtitles are automatically translated into Spanish. This is a huge help for students, parents, and teachers. Maybe you found a video, it's in a language you do not speak and you don't have subtitles. Well, YouTube will do this automatically for you now on any video on this platform. Now, one thing to note is that you have to turn on the subtitles first before you can change the translations. If these subtitles are not turned on, when you go into your settings and you go to subtitles, Auto Translate will not be an option there. So make sure that you turn them on first and then go into your settings. Now let me know in that comment section below just how excited you are for automatically translated subtitles. Now, as with any translation, it will not be 100% accurate or interpreted, but it is such a huge accessibility feature for many people around the world.